Matt Damon's awesome car collection. Renowned for his versatile acting skills and a career that has spanned decades, Matt Damon is not only a Hollywood A-lister, but also an enthusiast on the finest automobiles. Beyond the silver screen, Damon's passion for cars has led him to amass an impressive collection that mirrors his diverse tastes and appreciation for automotive excellence. From sleek and powerful sports cars to environmentally conscious electric vehicles, Matt Damon's car collection is a testament to both his on-screen success and his love for the open road. Hey there, welcome to New Money Luxury, your all-in-one source for all things about athletes, celebrities and royalties, where we talk about their lifestyle, spending habits and luxurious means of living. Sit back, relax, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and so you won't miss any of our uploads. Number 5. The Toyota Sequoia. Matt Damon has been seen on multiple occasions behind the wheel of this incredible full-size SUV. The powerful and sophisticated 5.7-litre V8 engine that powers the large Sequoia with 3 rows of seating is mated to a 6-speed automated transmission. The vehicle is equipped with electronic connectivity, which includes the Entune touchscreen music system, as well as standard compatibility with Google Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Active safety features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, blind spot warning, and rear cross traffic warning are all standard. The engine is rumoured to have an indefinite lifespan. In addition, its power output is more than sufficient to move this machine that weighs close to 6,000 pounds. This engine is coupled to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and as a result, all of the available power is sent to the vehicle's 4 wheels. According to Consumer Reports, the cost of purchasing this SUV can range anywhere from $50,400 to $69,675. Number 4. Cadillac Escalade. When it comes to a full-size sport utility vehicle, the Cadillac Escalade is at the highest level of the spec sheet, and it checks off almost every box on the list. As a result of this, US News has placed it on their list of the top 10 best luxury large SUVs. The quality of the inside is its strongest suit. In addition, it possesses a generous amount of passenger and baggage capacity. Nevertheless, apart from that, it has an appealing appearance on the outside and an excellent powertrain hidden beneath the hood. The 6.2-litre V8 engine in the 2021 Cadillac delivers 420 horsepower. The redesigned sport utility vehicle blends high-end amenities with intuitive controls to deliver a pleasurable driving experience. In addition to that, it comes with a variety of safety features, including high-definition surround vision, pedestrian alerts and braking, and lane change assistance. The Cadillac Escalade is notable for being the first large luxury SUV to have hybrid technology. Once you have a better understanding of the Cadillac's history, you will have a deeper appreciation for it. It is very evident that Matt adores sport utility vehicles. The price of entry for the luxurious Cadillac Escalade begins at $76,195. Number 3. Tesla Model X. The Tesla Model X is another sport utility vehicle that Matt keeps in his garage. This well-known electric vehicle made its debut more than 5 years ago. The acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 2.5 seconds, so it's not exactly a laughing matter. The acceleration of the Model X is unrivaled by any other SUV or electric vehicle. In addition, the Tesla Model X comes equipped with a sturdy and high-quality engine, in addition to a battery that has the capacity to last for a significant number of years and travel a considerable distance. In point of fact, it is the electric SUV now available on the market that has the greatest range. The interiors of the Tesla Model X and S have been upgraded with a higher definition touchscreen that measures 17 inches, a new instrument panel, and a steering wheel design that appears more like something from an airplane than a car. In addition to that, it comes standard with an audio system that has 22 speakers and 960 watts of power, and new microphones that allow active noise cancellation have been included as well. The Tesla Model X boasts brisk acceleration in addition to controlled handling, a long range when driven only on electric power, and a roomy load area. There is a price range for the Tesla Model X, and it starts at $79,990 and goes up to $85,000. Number 2. Tesla Roadster. In just 1.9 seconds, the Tesla Roadster can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour. It is the first production vehicle in the history of the automobile industry to ever breach the 2-second barrier. In addition to that, it has the capabilities of a convertible and has a glass roof that can be folded up and placed in the trunk. It's no surprise that Matt's go-to supercar is this one. The cabin of the Tesla Roadster was designed with the driver and passenger's comfort and safety in mind, and it includes a ton of cool features and benefits, such as making the ride extremely relaxing. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, which also combines a semi-autonomous driving mode, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking with pedestrian recognition. Other standard safety features include front collision warning and automatic high beam headlights. The Tesla Roadster is equipped with a wide variety of options. To begin, because it is an autonomous vehicle, the driver does not need to possess exceptional driving skills in order to operate the vehicle. Second, it is one of the safest cars ever made since it is equipped with 12 ultrasonic sensors and 8 cameras that provide a comprehensive view in all directions around the vehicle for a distance of 800 feet. Finally, with a price range of $200,000, it demonstrates that it is a car that is both powerful and beneficial to the environment. Number 1. Toyota Prius. Matt Damon is one of many famous people that drive Toyota Prius vehicles because of the model's widespread appeal. When the first Prius was released, only a small percentage of Americans recognized its potential and imported it illegally from other countries. Then, the second generation of the Prius was released, and as a result of careful planning and superb execution, it was not only a successful ride, but also the first hybrid vehicle to ever be mass-produced. Under the hood of the 2021 Toyota Prius is a 1.8-litre 4-cylinder engine as well as an electric motor. Together, these components are capable of producing a maximum of 121 horsepower. The Prius has outstanding efficiency when it comes to fuel consumption. Its EPA estimated combined mileage of 56 miles per gallon is second only to the Hyundai Ioniq Hybrid's EPA estimated 59 miles per gallon rating, which is an impressive figure. The car is well balanced and under control, with hardly no leaning over the side. When you get behind the wheel of a Prius, you'll have an incredible experience thanks to the vehicle's standard continuously variable automatic transmission system. The technology has been upgraded, and now the 2021 Prius Prime comes with a touchscreen that is 7 inches in size. A larger 11.6-inch touchscreen is available on some trims, and it features built-in charging stations as well as navigation. The Prius is an adequate replacement for a more compact SUV because of its roomy cabin and low price. Matt Damon's awesome car collection is a reflection of not only his status as a Hollywood heavyweight, but also his discerning taste in exceptional automobiles. From high-performance sports cars to environmentally conscious models, Damon's car collection showcases a personal collection to the road, combining style with substance. As the actor continues to captivate audiences on screen, his diverse and impressive car collection remains a tangible testament to his appreciation for the finer things in automotive life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest content, and be sure to comment on other celebrities, athletes, and royalties you would like us to profile in future episodes. We look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching.